President Duterte and other senators?
Yes, yes, I'm aware of that. Well, the DOJ has to make that assessment. So, may recommendation ng PODCOM, ganun naman talagang proseso. When they do an oversight hearing, meron silang findings, i-forward nila ngayon sa DOJ with their own recommendations as to how to handle the findings in the hearings. So, we will go now to DOJ. The DOJ will look at it and see if there are in this time to file cases, what cases to file, how to produce the evidence that we will need to actually build the case up. So titignan pa yan, marami pa kailangan pa i-assess na mabuti kung ano yung maaaring maging kaso, kung tama ba yung direksyon ng rekomendasyon ng committees from the House.